In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendesk to Jira. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Zendesk to find the Jira app in the marketplace and start the installation. You'll want to be signed into Zendesk with an account that has admin permissions, since installing apps requires the right access. We'll begin in the Zendesk agent interface. Look to the top of the page for the small drop-down arrow. This is the menu that gives you access to product and admin options. Click that drop-down to reveal more choices. From there, select Admin Center. This opens the centralized place where all your configuration, security, and apps live, so it's the right spot to manage integrations. Inside the Admin Center, focus on the left-hand navigation. Find and click Apps and Integrations. This section is where you manage anything you add onto Zendesk to extend its capabilities. On the Apps and Integrations page, choose Channel Apps. Channel apps are designed to connect Zendesk with external tools, and that's exactly what we want for Jira. Next, open the Zendesk Marketplace from this area. You'll see a link or button that takes you to the app catalog. The Marketplace might open in a new tab. If it does, that's normal. Give it a moment to load. It's a large catalog with many integrations. Once the Marketplace is open, look for the search or filter bar at the top. Click into that field and type Jira. Then, run the search. Double-check the spelling so you get the correct results. If you see multiple Jira-related listings, look for the official integration that matches your Zendesk product and read the summary to confirm it's the one you need. Click the Jira listing to open its details page. Here you can review what the app does, what data it needs access to, and any compatibility notes. This quick review helps avoid surprises later and ensures it aligns with your plan and security policies. When you're ready, click Install. If you manage more than one Zendesk account, select the correct instance during the prompt. You may be asked to confirm permissions or follow brief on-screen steps. Just proceed with the defaults your organization approves. The installation will run and complete in a moment. That's the workflow. Open the top dropdown, go to Admin Center, choose Apps and Integrations, select Channel Apps, enter the Marketplace, search for Jira, open the listing, and click Install. If you don't see the Install button, check your admin permissions, or try again with an approved account. Once installed, you're set to begin connecting your Zendesk tickets with Jira issues right from your workspace.